red-faced irate, but it's too late now. It's too late now. You've been had. You've been had real bad. You've been had real bad. And though you know that I'm the
I used to be bad. When I was a child, I was just a nuisance. Do you know what I mean? So music was like my way of expressing myself and actually coming away from that life.
I feel British, but at the same time, there've been situations where people don't make you feel British. Do you know what I mean? Like, you don't belong here. But that's all I know, because I was born here. So I feel like it's crucial for me as a young black female to be taught.
First one is on the way. Buckle my shoe, it's 32.
I'm not gonna lie, can we just go with the numbers?
No, that's a good horse, man. That's a good horse.
This is
That's it then, innit?
I could tell that you believe it. So cruelly beyond all our power.
Mercury's is such an important thing because it's judged based on the album, it's a whole body of work. Hopefully that way of consuming music doesn't die out, because we really value that format as well. So we're